Autumn Eve. Tomorrow, rain on the first day of autumn. So what do? Take the day off, a couple yard sales and a couple estate sales, and I probably will just come home with scraps or nothing, but we're going anyway. Let's go.
Sedley Road.
Case I shouldn't
Then turn
pay
left.
attention to, because they've got it where no early birds, but everybody and their brother's already here.
Turn left.
So on that scrap hour. This is just junk. Junk. Typical. Milk bottles. I like my milk bottles. But where the Orly, PA. I might grab one of those. First down here. This is cool. Clean. Very clean. Alright. Any treasure back here? American peace pipe. Let me smoke a peace pipe. Oh, there's a knife. Nope. Where's the silver? Nope. Made in China. Nope. John Deere. The line has started. Oh, it's an old home. So I'm going to be 50th in line. Hopefully they let us. Oh God, they're letting a couple in at a time. Here we go. Like zombies. Nobody behind me. Is it upstairs too? I guess. I guess it's the whole house. Wow. These old yearbooks. The Hill School. What's he got here? Nothing. Big ass basement. That's old. No pens. This is garbage. Bertha Spalding's. Garbage. About putters. And that. Garbage. Balls. Jesus Christ, look at these prices this dude's got. These prices are nuts. I don't know anything about boxing. Well, so far, it looks like it's not a good morning. A few things, my bread and butter crap. And, of course, that lantern I picked up. Starting already, there's a 200A Coleman. I just paid $20 to the guy. It's 1975. I think it's worth $60. So it's on the way home from work. I picked it up. It's Monday, and it starts off things. But we can go over a couple sales. Yeah, we can. Because speaking of lanterns, I put one on, and it was a 10-minute sale right out the door, which I showed you already. And then I sold the Nintendo DS with some games, paid $15 and got $125. That went out yesterday. My last sale was, how about these ones? I paid $1 for these at an estate sale. Pipes. People buy pipes. I know it because I had a friend sell them before, and $17 later, there that is. They're out the door. Put that in your pipe and smoke it. Oh, Lord. How about this one's been sitting on the shelf for a year? An iron, an electric GE iron. It's gone. That was 15 big smackaroos. That was from a clean out. I'd grab them every time. People like old irons. They take a little while to sell, but every one of them that I've had electric has sold. I've got one more left. It's a Westinghouse. We'll see when that goes. And you'll know when it does. A couple of weeks ago, I had a yard sale, a good weekend with some nice pickups. Franklin Mint, when I can get them cheap, you know, I grab them. And two of them went. One had a broken mirror. That one went for $54. That was a Corvette, 56 Corvette. And the other one was this Mercedes-Benz that went for $30. So I suggest if you can get them for $5, $10 at yard sales, you grab them, especially if they have their original boxes, because you can add another sometimes $20, $30 if they're in their original box. And that would have been a good one. That would have been probably about a $100 one if it didn't have a broken part and was in its original box. People like the vets. They like the vets. Also, this, I don't know what the heck these things are, Calico Critters or something. That one was a freebie from a clean out a while back, and that one went for $34. I never had so many watchers in my life on one thing. 40 some watchers when it finally sold. So it sat for about 2 weeks. Golf clubs went all the way to Montreal. I'm telling you what, Canadians pay big bucks for things to be sent to them. They paid $60 for the golf clubs, and if I'm not mistaken, I think it was over $60 for shipping to Montreal. Hey, it's not our fault. Blame Trudeau up there. Fenton's Glass Scat, $40. That's set for over a year, but it did sell full price. It's one of those you look up and say, oh wow, it sold. You want to know what that noise is? I'm going shopping. We're going to try to pick up some good stuff. Sold this celluloid mirror. That went full price to a lady. I was happy to send it to her. I only paid like $2 for that. The last couple sales are Halloween related. Jim Shore Headless Horseman that took 2 years. And this Motion Witch that took about a month. It's Halloween, you got the stuff, you know to list it, that will sell, hopefully, for you. That's it for sales. Now let's go back and see if we can find anything else. So it looks like this day is going to come to an end disappointingly, because tomorrow would have been huge, but we're gonna get tropical storm whoever coming through Delaware, and it's gonna rain, and it's gonna rain Sunday, and it's gonna rain Monday. I still may go out. Somebody may still have some yard sales in their garages, but if they do, I will videotape to show you. So here's what I picked up Monday through Friday. Here's my 4 big giant picks.
Don't wiggle out of your seat. It's not exciting, and I did not pay these prices either. I paid $20 for that, and I'll do that. Because parts or repair or any other way of selling that, you're going to get 45 to 60 bucks, which I will put it at 60. And that's just that, because it is the 200A. Now, $1 for this. And this is probably a big $9 value. It's your old pipe. Your old pipe. I just sold the pipes. I could have had some tobacco. You see 15 on that and 10. Well, I said I'd give you 10 for the 2, and they took it. This was put on by a family. He said, don't be scared away by the prices. So I made my offer and I got it. That's a $20, and those go for 15 to 25. When they got the spouts, people like them. I've sold these. Every time I put them on, they sell. This one I'm going to put for 24. One of those just went for $19.99. That is Pennsylvania milk, which is probably not that old. I'm going to say this is from the 60s easily. So he had a table full. I took one. If they were $1 a piece, I'd have taken them all. But that's probably going to sit on for a while. So we'll see what happens. But that's my pickups. Woo-hoo. Woo stinking hoo. Before I leave you, I did have 2 more sales. I had this lantern go. I forgot that those are a little older sales, but they were not on the last video. So there you go. Another lantern. Coleman's, man, they will sell. That one was probably fired about twice. And also a die cast Snap-on bank. Didn't take long, a couple days, and it was gone. Snap-on. It's a name. I got a Snap-on box on right now with a bunch of watchers at $99. We'll see where it goes. And I think it's going to go around that area. So we'll see. This is my pickups. That's my dog's butt. But that is my pickups next to it, and some stuff that I've left out here because I'm lazy. But that's it. It's Friday. It's going to rain. Tomorrow's first day of fall. I thought it was the 20th, but actually the 23rd is the first day. So if I get lucky tomorrow, I'll make a video, but I'm doubtful because I think this rain's going to go like that sideways wind, sideways crap. So there's a church sale, but I think I'm going to stay home. We'll see. Okay, till next time I say later.